I would look so stupid.
Let me see. Sick. So we're gonna paint this thing. Well, not we, but Koda is, and his worker here. Nino's masking the car. This thing's gonna be up for sale, so I just want to get it nice and original paint job. Should be good though. I didn't even notice you already started, Koda. I missed all this. We're gonna try and do like a tutorial video, but I don't know if that's gonna work. I guess we'll kind of just time lapse everything. It's supposed to be like a 3-day job, so it's not too bad for the most part. 3 days, Koda? If you're wondering why I'm not doing it, is because I don't want to do it. I probably can't do it, so I'm paying Koda to do it for me.
I got clear side markers. You want to get it for me?
No. And I don't trust Jordan painting it, so.
Guys, look at that. It's so good. This is smooth.
Like, it actually is really good.
It's really good.
But it's gonna show up. I'm just kidding. So we've got a long 3 days ahead of us. Like 3 hours deep. Our Koda's 3 hours deep. He's already got all the little dings and dents bondoed, all the rust removed. Just gonna weld plates and do what he does. The side still needs to be sanded a bit. These had like carbon fiber vinyl over it. Underneath was just like bare metal. So that was kind of weird, but coming along. Nino already masked all the windows off. Jordan's over here replacing his knuckle. What are you doing?
It's working with my shoulder.
Hey, it works. Don't strip your knuckle stud, guys.
I had to cut it off. I got a new knuckle though.
New knuckles here.
Not there.
Jamming. If you're wondering why this thing is all apart, a rat got into her car, chewed up some wiring, chewed up some hoses, made a rat's nest, and was just living in here the whole time we were in Arizona. It was like a pile of this crap. So I got that cleaned up. I gotta fix some hoses. Stupid rats. Pissed all over her seats. So I pressure wash these. Poop all over the mats. And decided to chew up her shift boot. Freaking sick. So what happens when you live in the middle of nowhere and you have freaking kangaroo rats that just run around, destroy stuff. So I always wondered how to fix these outward dents. You can't really see it, but it's like a little...
This ain't proper.
This is not proper, says Koda. Hey man, that's all we got.
Proper. They have a proper like pointy one.
Oh. So,
not this round.
Can you see it? I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, you can. So now, the dent is inward, so he can go ahead and do the same thing as this. Coda's starting to weld the trunk. Nino's already almost done scuffing and prepping. And primer next.
I haven't touched the camera in a while. Been working on the paste bar. But good as put primer on this stuff.
I used to work at bar.
He's a barista.
Just kidding.
Did Josh film these lights?
No.
Light setup?
No.
Josh bought some lights and Coda installed them so he can work at nighttime because Coda's all about that grind. Got some black primer. I didn't even know there was black primer, bro.
There's white, there's black, and there's gray. To match the color, you have to have a certain ones. Like on my Ferrari red, like to make that actual red pop, guess what I did?
Black?
No, white.
Candy red is black, huh? Like the FD. Josh's FD.
Stock 240, wine red, that's like black. So it comes out like not poppy red, right? Dull, not dull, but
Hardener.
We work in like, I don't know what this is, not even table.
On the ground.
This is insane.
How do you like the setup here compared to Utah?
Not even comparable.
I'm working outside in the cold wind.
This is pretty insane.
Things you do for money.
Not really just for money. Josh's favor.
Just helping a friend out.
Yeah, I really don't have the time. I got nothing but time. I'm leaving to Japan like 2 weeks. Like I have better things to do.
Could have freaking spent the whole day working on this trunk. It's kind of nice to film after working on my car for 3 days. I haven't touched the camera in a while, except for time lapses. It's so much easier than sanding your car and putting body filler.
Are you sure? I sanded the whole car, did body work, and primered it and sanded, and I ate dinner, and I made a vlog last night, and I posted this lunch break. That was pretty hard grind. I stayed
That
up.
vlog came out of nowhere. I didn't even know you made a vlog. I just saw. I was working on my car earlier,
Yeah.
and then I went inside, and I saw you posted a vlog already. I'm like, what?
Yeah, I made it last night. I uploaded, and it was uploaded this morning, so I
Nice.
published it this noon. It's doing
Good.
bad.
That.
It started off pretty good, 4th place, and now it's like 8th place.
Oh man.
I changed the thumbnail.
That's what we do. Every time I make a video, Josh is like, yeah, good thumbnail. And then the next day it's like 8th place, like, bro, let's change the thumbnail.
Yeah, but bro, that 180 transformation video hit 100K.
First
That-
100K video for Coda.
100K video.
100K video at 26,000 subscribers.
Yes.
Not
that's
bad
pretty
at all.
good, huh?
4 times your subscribers.
I'm stoked.
Trunk is welded and body filled.
Tough is welded. Jordan got COVID.
Jordan got COVID.
You better sleep in your 240.
Just gotta sand this down. Car is what, ready for paint tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning it's going in for paint. Car's fully sanded down. Good, and Nino's been jamming.
It's not jamming.
This is jamming. I mean, considering Jordan's been sanding his car for the past 6 months.
Hey, I'm jamming it like crazy. My car is just wrecked.
There's just a lot of work. It's getting there though.
Let the viewers feel it, bro. Feel my trunk.
You guys want to feel this trunk? Go ahead.
Feel it, guys.
It's smooth, feel it. Dang, it already looks finished, Coda. So last step before base coat and clear and done. 3 days, huh, Coda?
Yeah.
Just like that. He's not very happy about it. That trunk took longer than expected, huh?
Yeah, way too long.
Yeah, but check it out. Flawless. What holes? Class. we filming?
Yes, sir.
Still the last pieces of the puzzle before we can showcase this. Should we time lapse it? Yeah, might as well. So if you didn't know, this is Gabe's abandoned 180. I think we're gonna keep these things. He wants to slowly build it. Really immaculate. It's kind of how this car looked before Coda painted it, though. Last touches. Dang. What do you think, Coco?
Cool.
Cool. I like your shirt. Wu-Tang Clan. If you guys love Coda's work, give this video a thumbs up. It turned out amazing and is up for sale. So if you guys want this, hit up Baron's Garage. We'll link it in the description. We'll tag the Instagram name right here. And she'll be up for sale. Hit us up.